All right, guys, look what we found today. This is a beautiful specimen. Little trapezoid there. Can you guess what object two is? Like, there's a hint. You can see inside of there. What is this, guys? And then this right here. Do you know what those are called? This is a good specimen right here. And then this one, I broke it just perfectly to expose this guy, which maybe it's not doing it justice right now, but it is crystallized also. What do you call this? What do you call this? What do you call this? And what is this done? What do you call that? All guesses are welcome. Like and subscribe for more nature videos. Thanks for watching.